recording started. So today we are going to discuss a topic. The topic is looping. Loop. Program the loop. Ama kamay na happen the gay have looping. Okay. So if we want to execute a program segment, program part segment if we want to execute a program segment repeatedly, then we can use the concept of loops. The looping capabilities enable us to develop concise programs. Concise programs containing repetitive processes for both known and unknown number of repetitions. In a program ki segment namase hanjana tohonge run tohonge khalagadi akoi loop sijanagani ba. In looping, sequences of statements are executed repeatedly until some conditions for termination of loop is satisfied. Aduna asai looping jigi condition ama thamgani si condition je yadri baudi sigi high statement kara je you run repeatedly unless this condition is satisfied. Aduna a program loop therefore consists of two segments. One is known as the control statement and the other is known as the body of the loop. The control statement tests certain conditions and then directs the repeated execution of the statements contained in the body of the loop. The control statement is a condition of test condition number of statements body repeatedly execute. In general, a looping process consists of 4 steps. Step number 1, the setting or initialization of the condition variable. Condition next, condition to satisfy the execution of the statements in the body of the loop. As the body of the loop, your statements into hanjana execute execute after each execution, when a test test for a specified value of the condition variable for execution of the loop. Condition condition do yaribra illibra indabra condition to satisfied or libra or idabra after each execution condition check check condition variable first check condition variable upgrade update example discuss first condition variable set initialize body statement run condition satisfied check condition variable do update example Python there are 2 ways for performing loop operations. Loop operation while loop for loop programming language study while loop do while loop do while loop okay, so the while loop for loop do while loop language programming language do while loop Python while loop for loop 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 discuss revise that is revise variable reassignment. Variable different values assigned to as we have discovered, it is legal to make more than one assignment to the same variable. A new assignment makes an existing variable refer to a new value and stop referring to the old value. Here is an example. I have a variable x, and in this assignment statement, I am assigning the integer 5 to the variable x. So when I execute this cell, 5 will be assigned to the variable x, and then the content of the variable x will be displayed. So let us run this. So 5 is assigned to the variable x. Next line, the value of the variable x is displayed. Now, in the second cell, now I assign the value 3 to the value to the variable x. Higher variable x and a variable 3 assign to level. Adu orgadi say x manungda already yaraba level 5 to adu kedo with the gi haiba. Adu 5 to man grani variable 3 is ina 5 to override to grani. So when I assign the value 3 to the variable x again, the old value 5 which was stored in x will be lost and it will be overwritten by the new value 3. So let me run this cell. Now I get the value which is stored inside x is 3. This is called variable reassignment. Aduna 5 haiba si hana x assign to laikhrabado. Another new value 3 haiba x reassign to salagadi aying asai old value to mangrani new value to store to lagani haiba. This is called variable reassignment. Variable reassignment haiba si koi loop ta important part amani ka. Very important part of the looping ka. Next, the first time we display x, its value is 5. The second time we display it, its value is 3. Because the value 5 is overwritten by the new value 3. A common source of confusion, because Python uses the equal sign for assignment, it is tempting to interpret a statement like a equals b as a mathematical proposition of equality. That is, the claim that a and b are equal. But this interpretation is wrong. Python dadi, when we write a equal to b, a ga b ga mani haibnate, we simply mean the value b is assigned to the variable a haibani ka. Whatever is the value of b, it is assigned to the variable a haibani. We do not mean that a and b are equal. Aduna sigi interpretation je a ga b ga equal haibasi jade ko. The claim that a and b are equal is wrong. Si claim to jade ko. Reassigning variables is often very useful. So that reassigning 5 option bar, 3 option bar. This is very useful, but you should use it with caution. If the values of variable change frequently, it can make the code difficult to read and debug. Debug ID programming programming is the finding out the errors and then correcting the errors. Errors in the bug bug finding out correct that process is called debug. So updating variables so value reassignment variable reassignment and then another term is value updating, updating the variables. A common kind of reassignment is an update where the new value of the variable depends on the old. X equals x plus 1. Python the magi meaning di kaino? Magi meaning di, this means you evaluate the right hand side first. Evaluate the right hand side first and then store the value of the right hand side to the left hand side. So this means get the current value of x and add 1. Get the current value of x and then add 1. And then update x with the new value. So first you evaluate the right hand side. Then whatever answer you get on the right hand side, you assign that value to the variable x. So from this we know that the value of x is 3. When I print this x, what will be the output? X equals x plus 1 have assignment updating variables when I run out. Then when I print the value of x, what will be the output? 3 target, 4 target.
4
because this x contains the value 3. X value 3 is your never. So the right hand side is evaluated first. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. And then that 4 is stored in the x. So when we bring the value of x, we'll get 4. 4 from Anika. So this means get the current value of x at 1 and then update x with the new value. So x the one tinjalaga stam option baje se update to weba mathematically yang taragadi x equal to x plus 1 hypothesis this is correct only when x equal to infinity I think what some de ka aduna mathematics your equality sign duga python the your equality sign duga kenai in python and equality sign means assign whatever is on the right hand side to the variable on the left hand side aduga if you try to update a variable that doesn't exist you will get an error because Python evaluates the right hand side before it assigns a value to x. For example, a equals a plus 1. A is a new variable and when I run this program I'll get an error. I'll get an error. Error thole. So the error is what is the reason for this error? The reason is it is given here. The name a is not defined. The variable a is not defined. A have a variable defined. We have not assigned any number to the variable a. So when we try to calculate this right hand side, we Python searches for this variable a and it cannot find this variable a. So it says the name a is not defined. Aduna variable si akoina update tawdringaida karito wadagra tai it should first be defined. It should be assigned some number. Correct? Aduna a equals a plus 1 c work to hongi we should assign some value to a equals 7. So now a equals 7 assignment then we can write a equals a plus 1. So let me run this cell again, there will be no error. Sorry, let me run this cell again, there will be no error. So when I try to print the value of a, I'll get kya phangani? When I run this cell, what will be the result that I get? 8 phangani ko. A equals 7, a equals a plus 1. A ki value to print out. So a nang even confuse let me write print a. So a equals 7, a equals a plus 1. Hadi 7 ji a assigned out. Next a to the 1 tinjalo 8 tare 8 chamu a assigned out. So print the value of a, it will give you 8. Correct. Before you can update a variable, you have to initialize it. So the initialize the original a equals 7. This first assignment statement is called initialization. So before you update any variable, first you have to initialize it. ID the value assigned to over. And this initialization is done usually with a simple assignment statement. So x equals 0, x equals x plus 1. So when I print the value of x, here x will be 1. Updating a variable by adding 1 is called an increment, while subtracting 1 from the variable is called a decrement. So this is how we can update a variable. Next loop the while statement. Computers are often used to automate repetitive tasks. Repeating identical or similar tasks without making errors is something that computers do well and people do poorly. In a computer program, repetition is called iteration. 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 Iteration kya no? Iteration kya sure? Iteration manga surba, iteration taruk surba. Iteration is the program segment repeat iteration. The while loop is used to repeat a set of statements as long as a condition is true. While loop condition 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 it is a boolean expression. Condition if statement the your boolean expression or condition it is like that. It's a condition like that. Condition is true or while loop ki statement sing do execute to haiba hanjan repeat to haiba ko. Example is here n equals 3. So we have assigned the number 3, the integer 3, to the variable n, and then the loop starts while n greater than 0 colon print n, and then update n equals n minus 1 decrement to row haiba. So matang sida n equals 3, this is the initialization part. While n greater than 0, this is the condition which we are testing. Sigi condition je test ini. Adagi body of the loops na kaino sigi ani jini print n ga n equals n minus 1 juga. This is the body of the while loop. Adagi n greater than 0 jina condition ka. Then while loop ki structure is mind tawe. While loop ki structure je while haiba koi keyword se lerani. Next the condition ama lerani. That condition will be a boolean expression. The local lakpada colon nama lerani. Si bokon header kawi ka. Header kawi. Next the body horani. Body si while ki mapa chapchana horoi. Kharat changchalakani. Kayam changchalakani. 4 spaces. It will be indented by 4 spaces. 4 space indentation legani. Aduna indentory khudingmak indentory statement khudingmak while loop sigi body ki part amani ka. So this is the first statement of the body, this is the second statement of the body, and now the final print is not indented. That means this final print statement is outside the body of the while loop. Sige final print statement is the while loop ki wang with never. It is outside the body of the while loop. Okay. So let us see how this code runs. N equals 3. Now while n greater than 0, this is a boolean expression. So when n equals 3, is this condition satisfied or not? N greater than 0, is it true or false or true or withdraw? Because n is 3, so 3 is greater than 0, so this boolean expression, its output will be true. This expression is true. My value though, the value of this boolean expression is true. While loop kari high, see condition is true or while loop ki body manung reverse statement sing do adu execute to have never. So while this condition is true, execute these 2 statements. So when n equals 3, 3 is greater than 0, therefore this condition is true. So we print n, that is we print 3. In the next statement, what do we do? N equals n minus 1. You evaluate the right hand side first. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Now you assign 2 to n. So now after this statement is executed, the value of n becomes 2. While n greater than 0, now the new value of n is 2. 2 greater than 0. Is it true or false? True. True or withdraw? So n equal to n minus 1 have 3 digi minus 1 2 tare. 2 is assigned to this n. Aduga sige last statement di kai dong lakani sige sai condition to dong lakani ba while dong lakani ba ko. While 2 is greater than 0, this is true. Then print n. 2 dong print dorani. Next step ta 2 minus 1 1 tare ko. 1 je amu n dapselani. While loop tong hala ani 1 greater than 0 chumibra true ori adu print 1 tani. Next 1 minus 1 0. While loop tong law 0 greater than 0 chumibra false. Chumdre false. So when it is false, this body will not be executed. So false already body execute oroi ma skip tawrani ko. So this body will be skipped. So body is skip tawrani aduga pedorani next final sigi next statement la ane ba sigi while gi body is skip tawlo loirega magi mathang da leba next statement la ane ba duna print blast off have is print or ane ba yantare ko aduna when we run this program, what will be the output? And with the 3 mathang the 2 mathang the 1 mathang the blast off la ane ba run to let me run this cell. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Because when n equals 0, this condition is not satisfied. Therefore, this expression is false. Therefore, these two statements, these two body of the while will not be executed. Adana 0 is a print or 0 is a print or see body is execute or next statement the lani print blast off. Which is rocket hacker packet 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 countdown to countdown to 0 the blast off rocket packet. This example is taken from the book Think Python, which I had already shared with you in our WhatsApp group. Think Python have a direct to the examples. Yawani, like to the Yawani WhatsApp group and how share to give the Think Python have a direct to the young of the Mana Sigi programs gives the explanation like that. Manakari high. You can almost read the while statement. You can almost read the while statement as if it were English. It means while n is greater than 0, display the value of n and then decrement n. When you get to the value 0, display the word blast off. While statement, while statement have a simple English. Python advantage. Python statement commonly English sentence English word that is the advantage of Python. So more formally, here is the flow of execution for a while statement. While statement give flow of execution do. Explain to first determine whether the condition is true or false. See condition true or false. If false, exit the while statement and continue execution at the next statement. Sigi condition n greater than 0 is false over target sigi bagi body is skip toro exit while statement is exit toro aduga next statement to lao heba. If false, exit the while statement and continue execution at the next statement. The next statement di koi kamai khangani indent tau dabado aduneba adudagi hakuduneba. See indent tau dedana ko. See indent tau bahidi changchang dedana. Sigi statement ani jidi print ka n ga jidi changchali dedana ko. Aduna indent tau ani jina while loop sigi statement manung challe. Sigi quite last line jina print hai basidi madi indent tau dabanina madi while mapanda laire aduna condition je false oitardi while gi statement loina mag skip tawrani next statement da lani hai adudagi number 3 da if the condition is true condition je true oramagadi run the body sigi while loop ki body statement ani je run tawrani and then go back to step 1 and then go back to step 1 determine whether the condition is true or false aduna sigi statement ani ji run to bulore matungda aina kari amla kani sai condition du true or ibra or false or ibra na amuk check taro kineba true or magadi amka mu run tawni run to bulore ga amuk check to bula kini sigi condition ji true or ibra aduna as long as this condition is true these two statements will be executed repeatedly and the moment this condition becomes false these two statements will be skipped and then we move to the next statement of the program. This type of flow is called a loop because the third step loops back around to the top. Loop hay sinigo. Aduna say ay statement execute to bulurga makok tamu lakwa condition amu test to ba condition do amu satisfy to the statement jindo amu loin mo execute to ba test as long as the condition is true, these two statements will be executed repeatedly. So this is the loop. And when the statement is false, we go outside the loop and we move to the next statement. So this is looping. While loop the body of the loop should change the value of one or more variables so that the condition becomes false eventually and the loop terminates. Body of the loop say the value of one or more variables should change. Here the value of n is changing. sini ko khung sai condition the your variable je condition the your variable n je magi value is change tawada bane ba when n ki value is change tawada bani saida this statement is changing the value of n aduna n ki value is sum change taro ga sigi condition je hanjan hanjan check tawgini ultimately this condition will not be satisfied and the loop will terminate loop to terminate tawada ne ba karigumba aina kaudana sigi statement n equals n minus 1 yahudraba if by mistake I forgot to write this line then while n greater than 0 print n n jeng sai 3 assign tawre n je change su tawdre n je 3 adum oilere adu tari this condition is always true adu this in a print n jena anjana 3 adum print tawle ni loibana error ere ko sini ko aduna kedongni aigi loop se terminate tongna bugi damakta the variable one variable should change in each loop amamamda variable je hanjan sum change tawda bane ba aduni ko aduna the body of the loop should change the value of one or more variables so that the condition becomes false eventually and the loop terminates otherwise the loop will repeat forever which is called an infinite loop aduna infinite loop ta adum laigrani loop se adum laigrani magi condition to suloi loiraroi ba sibo khoni kari kawi infinite loop kaweba aduna aigi program ji da infinite loop ama tholo agadi aigi program du kai tare la le haine so there should be one statement which changes the value of the variable n ko aduna sidamaga pale the colon at the end of the while statement is essential and marks the beginning of the indented block of statements inside the loop when if rang to give if statement dazu ahan line jigi lorak pada colon nama lai bini ko after the boolean expression there is a colon which ends the first line while loop dazu si colon je lai ni ko si colon ji yaw do ba yaroi we should always remember this colon which is present here si colon ji yaw do ba yaroi si colon ji yaw draga di lang doi ni ko aduna sigi colon ji ki kari haire ai condition test over lore colon ji head mathang dagi di body hore hai ni ko body hore ai while loop sigi body hore hai okay since you are was it 1.5 minutes lady ko adudagi next example ama yengasi break example nante another topic another subheading hai ta break. Suppose you don't know it is time to end a loop until you get halfway through the body. I know sometimes you don't know it is time to end a loop until you get halfway through the body. In that case, you can use the break statement to jump out of the loop. For example, suppose you want to take input from the user until they type done. You could write this program. This program is irrevocable. While haraga true hare sidadi boolean expression p bra boolean expression p de sidadi kari oina harame sidadi while haraga true harame hadi kaino sigi boolean expression legida mapadu da true pirabani na whatever is the body of the loop will be executed always true orabani na sigi body is executor ne ba aduri kai hare first input china akoi user degi input amal lawre adugo line hariba variables da hapchalle next if statements na line haibasi done haibasi ga manabra done haiba string ga manabra manaragadi break tore while loop sigi mapan thole aduga print done haire manadragadi